Today we are going to talk about thorn strippers or the thorners. There are two types commonly found, metal ones which has jagged teeth and plastic ones which also has jagged teeth on both sides, so it can be used either side. This equipment is used to remove thorns and leaves on flower stems. We will do a quick demonstration starting with the metal one. First, you secure the stem between the teeth of the dethorner near the base of the flower head. Then, in a downward motion, you pull the thorn stripper along the stem. This should remove the leaves and thorns, and you can do it a second time if there are any thorns left. Next, we are using the plastic one. Fold it around the stem at the base of the flower head and pull it downwards. You have to be careful when using the thorners because they can hurt the stem and cause browning if used incorrectly or if you use too much strength. So my personal preference is still to use a pair of floral scissors to remove the leaves and thorns. So there we have it. They are such great time savers and it's essential for every florist to know how to use them.